Okay, here we are. This is the lampshade.
Meron pa isang,
Ito, 500 in Philippine peso. In dollar, almost $10. $11. Oh, $11. This one steady chair. It costs 2,500 in peso. In dollar, almost $50. This one, huh? This one is solid wood, rocking chair. You see it rock. Same price, $50. This one, $70. Huh? You see this one? Batang. Ito, magkano? Okay, it's a chair. Ito, how much in dollar? Almost $25. This one. Ito, magkano ito?
kung pagkat yan, pwedeng, yan, sa umaga, ganyan pa.
So, pag din. See?
Bakit?
So, pag din. Magkano yan? 2008.
Hindi na ako
Almost $70. Same, huh? And this one made of bamboo. Not yet finished. Huh? To be burnished. Magkano ito? One set, 2 chair, with 1 sofa, and a table in the center. Magkano?
3,000.
Almost $80. Etong ganito,
3,000. Ratan.
all rattan. 1 sofa bed, 2 small chair, and 1 table on the center. Magkano ito? 3,000 pesos, Philippine money. Almost $65. This one made of bamboo, with the rope on the side. No, it's rattan. It's 5,000. 1 sofa bed, 2 chair, and 1 table on the center. 5,000, almost $105.
Ito, 3,000 din. Iba naman ito.
Made of bamboo.
Yung taga naman yung mga layuan.
This sofa. Magkano to? Made of Nara, huh? This one is Nara. This side is Nara. With carving. Okay? That's the only available here in Cavite. I will look to another store and take a video, of other product. Okay?